Hello, thank you for joining again. Today we're going to create a sales invoice in QuickBooks. So quickly, just to go on the invoice template, you need to click on the settings cog, and then the first column under your company you go to custom form styles. Here you can create a new invoice estimate or sales receipt template. So clicking on template, we're going to create a sales invoice, and we're going to name it sales invoice 2. So first of all, in here you can choose your template. So there's 6 templates you can choose from, whichever you like. You can change the color, so if you like maybe this orange, clicking on the logo and add logo, you can just quickly upload your logo from your folders. It's gonna take a little while to upload, but this means that your logo will be added onto your sales invoices and other documents. So there we go. We've got the logo, and I can see the colors changed as well. We can go back to this orange one or whichever else we prefer. Going on the also you can choose the font. Going on the content and clicking on the 3 boxes, you can customize of what's present on your invoice. So all these details, you can add or delete whatever you do want or don't want to be on your invoice. And same with the second section and the bottom part. This is your totals, and also you have a chance to add messages. And this bottom part, if you put bank details and your bank details, it will be added to the bottom. You can make it, this is the largest, and put it on the right. I usually put it on the left, but you can put it in the center as well. Email section, you can customize your email. When you send out the invoice, there will be an email going out with it, and you can customize this email in here, which I'm not going to do at the moment. So this is all done. I've got my invoice template. So how do I send an invoice? On the left hand side, under the sales tab, you can either go to invoices and go from there, or go to customers and create a customer first and then the invoice. However, you can also click on the plus button and create an invoice from there. So from the customers column, I click on an invoice. So basically, if you send an invoice to somebody who is not in your contact list, so this is your contact list, you can choose from here. But if you choose somebody who is not on the contact list, then you can just click on the add new button, and you can fill the information, the name, company name, email, and whatever else you need for this invoice. And definitely don't forget the email, because you're going to send out the email, the invoice via email. So basically, put in the details and all your terms and everything. And if you have products and services added onto your QuickBooks, you can choose from there. Otherwise, I think by default there is services or hours or something like that. But you can create your own and customize it, which I'm not gonna do for this video. So basically, put how much you want to invoice for. If you're not VAT registered, then it's not going to come up, and also all these other boxes will not going to come up if you are on just the basic subscription. So once you've done your invoice, you can either save it or save and send. Now, obviously, it will need an email address. So if you click on save and send, you will have this last opportunity to customize your email. So this is how it looks like. You can change it now, or if you're happy with it and everything, then you can just click on send and close. So this is how you send an invoice to your customer from QuickBooks. Thank you for watching.